guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Peanut Brittle. There's been a hostile takeover and I'm hosting, but just for today. There actually has been a death in the family, so Mom asked if I could host in her place. This recipe came from my great-grandmother. Nana said that the proportions she gave Mom were exactly right, and exactly how her mother would do it. So, it's time to make peanut brittle. Okay, so we are using vegetable stain? Mm-hmm. So the parchment paper will stick to it, which is being put on now. What's parchment paper for, though?
Parchment paper is to keep things from sticking. Yep. So just because you can hear me, I'm behind the camera, but this is Adric's show today. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna throw some butter on the pan. Yep, you saw that. I'm gonna throw some butter on the pan and we're gonna just grease this baby up.
Butter is being applied to the pan thoroughly to make sure that all of it is not sticky.
Alright, okay.
This recipe is very simple as long as you keep all your ingredients in order. To create this, you will need 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2/3 of a cup of water, 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of peanuts, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of water. So, first we're gonna add the sugar into the pot, as well as the light corn syrup, like that.
And you can push the bottom of it in and it'll scrape it.
Oh, that's cool. This is a neat little doohickey. And the cup of water. And first we mix it all together and get the sugar starting to dissolve. Should start to look a bit like this. Now we turn up the heat. Now we're going to put the thermometer in and get it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hardball stage, or which is 120 degrees Celsius. Right now, this is pretty hot. You wouldn't want to stick your finger in there at all. It's about 125 degrees Fahrenheit, or 50 degrees Celsius. So, we're hitting 250 degrees Fahrenheit now. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit.
Yep, I'm gonna turn that down.
We're gonna add butter. Go.
I should be over here.
Butter, mix that in. Now that this is all melted, we're going to add all the peanuts and mix them in real well. So, if you mess up on this recipe, here's some of the results. This is if you don't reach the hardball stage, which is 255 degrees Fahrenheit or 125 degrees Celsius. It's completely liquid. It's pretty much like some sort of ice cream topping. It didn't reach the stage to become hard, so it can't be brittle and break. It's pretty much liquid. It cooled, but it never solidified. This is what happens if you overcook it. Oh god, I hate that smell. Oh, I hate that so much. So, I'm gonna put that down. I don't want to smell that. This is a piece of burnt pecan brittle. It has pecans instead of peanuts, and it smells really bad. I don't like that smell. It feels like it's like if someone went into a bakery and just spilled sugar everywhere and then lit it on fire. Mom likes it. I don't. And this is what it's supposed to look like. This is also pecan brittle, not peanut. It's about good.
Nope.
Okay.
It's one of those, okay. Just if you think like we're going for a certain place that's between we're going for a light brown color. We don't want it too dark. We want it to be like A little, there it is. See that color coming in?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Got it. Looks all foamy and weird.
It's still not dark enough. It's still too light. But I don't want it too dark.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. That's the color I wanted.
2 last things are being added now. 4 last things in the form of 2 last things. Yeah. That's how it works. Right?
Sure.
It's 4 things in the form of 2 things.
So you saw that I added the baking soda.
And now it looks funny. Oh, that's toasty.
Oh, I forgot to turn off the heat. Alright. Oh. Don't forget to turn off the heat.
Don't forget to turn off the heat or you'll spill it. No, wait, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Alright.
Something's wrong about the fact that you'll spill it. Okay. Why do you have to turn off the heat?
Did you see what just happened when I forgot to turn off the heat?
You spilled it.
No, the whole thing was boiling over.
Oh, so you don't... You turn off the heat so it boils over, not so you don't spill it. Wait.
I don't know what we're talking about anymore. My brain has turned to goo. There it is. Peanut brittle for me and you.
Peanut brittle. Okay, this is the finished product. That is very good. And until next time, take care and be safe.
Thank you for watching. Hey, want to subscribe? You can click on the purple Christmas tree. Not sure you want to subscribe yet? You want to see more content first? You can click on this video over here. Until next time, take care and be safe.